The JuggerKnotless anchor system offers an all-suture knotless solution that eliminates knot stacks. Designed for a seamless, straightforward technique, it provides secure and reliable repairs. The system consists of 1.5 mm and 2.9 mm implant options. The implant systems are complemented by a comprehensive set of instrumentation, including straight, curved, and percutaneous guides and drill bits. The color coding simplifies suture management, effectively identifying the function of each strand. The blue-black repair strand is notably distinguished from the white shuttle loop and the white-blue pull strand. The repair strand on the 1.5 mm JuggerKnotless is either a number 2 max braid suture or 1.5 mm broadband tape, while the 2.9 mm JuggerKnotless has either a number 5 max braid suture or 1.5 mm broadband tape. The shuttle loop is white and is 2 inches long to help easily pass the repair strand through. The JuggerKnotless implants are available with or without OsseoCoat technology. OC JuggerKnotless implants are identical to traditional uncoated JuggerKnotless implants, but are designed with bioceramics embedded in the anchor portion of the device. The hydroxyapatite and bioceramic particles provide a surface coating that's comprised of materials with osteoconductive properties. Insert the JuggerKnotless guide into the joint space and place it on the glenoid rim. Drill the pilot hole with the JuggerKnotless drill bit. Remove the drill and maintain precise guide position over the pilot hole. Insert the JuggerKnotless soft anchor through the guide and into the pilot hole. Lightly mallet the inserter handle until it is flush with the back of the guide. Once the anchor has been fully seated into the glenoid bone, lightly pull back on the anchor inserter handle to begin setting the anchor. Release the suture from the handle by removing the suture cap. Remove the anchor inserter and guide. Slowly pull on all sutures together to fully set the anchor. Transfer the blue-black repair strand to the anterosuperior portal. Insert the Easy Pass suture passer through the anterior-inferior cannula and pass through the labral tissue at the desired repair location. Advance the nitinol wire into the joint space. Retrieve the nitinol wire loop through the anterosuperior portal. Load the blue-black repair strand through the nitinol wire loop. Pull the wire extending out of the anterior-inferior cannula to shuttle the suture through the labral tissue and out the antero-inferior portal cannula. Fold approximately 2 inches of the blue-black suture limb through the white suture shuttle loop. Pull the white-blue broadband tape shuttle strand to shuttle the blue-black suture around the tissue and through the locking mechanism within the anchor body. Pull on the blue-black repair strand to tension until the repair is complete.